Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Dave, what do you do for fun?
For fun, I watch movies.
That's it?
No. I eat snacks while watching movies.
Ah, okay, that's more complete.
It's an important part of the experience.
So, you like staying home?
Sometimes, but I also like going out with friends.
What do you usually do together?
We go for coffee. Sometimes we eat at a restaurant. Sometimes we just walk around and talk.
That sounds nice. Which one do you like most?
Probably coffee,
Why coffee?
because I can sit there for a long time. I can talk, I can relax, and I can drink coffee.
So, basically, coffee solves everything.
Almost everything.
What about movies? What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies. I don't want to watch something too serious.
Really?
Yeah. After a long day, I just want to relax and laugh.
I understand that. I like comedies too, but I also like mystery movies.
Mystery. Why?
I like trying to guess what happens.
I'm terrible at that.
Why?
Because I usually guess the wrong person.
The wrong person?
Every time.
So you aren't very good at solving mysteries.
Not at all. I just enjoy being surprised.
That's fair. What else do you do for fun?
I play games sometimes.
What kind of games?
Mostly games on my phone.
Do you play every day?
Not every day, but maybe...
Maybe?
Okay. Almost every day.
Dave.
What? It's relaxing.
For how long?
Maybe 30 minutes?
And then?
An hour?
And then?
Okay. Sometimes 2 hours.
That's not a little hobby. That's a part-time job.
I prefer the word passion.
Nice try.
Thank you.
Do you ever exercise for fun?
Sometimes I go to the gym, but I don't know if I would call it fun.
What would you call it?
Something good for my body.
That's honest.
I like how I feel after exercising. During the workout, not so much.
I know what you mean. Sometimes you just have to push yourself.
Exactly.
What about music? Do you listen to music for fun?
All the time. I listen to music when I drive. I listen while I cook. Sometimes I listen before bed.
What kind of music do you like?
It depends on my mood.
That's a good answer.
If I'm happy, I want something energetic. If I'm tired, I want something quiet.
So, what do you listen to when you're cleaning?
Honestly, I turn the music up really loud.
Oh, really?
Yes. Then I pretend I'm a professional singer.
Are you any good?
Absolutely.
You sound very confident.
Nobody has complained yet.
Maybe they're just being polite?
That's possible.
So, if you had a whole free day tomorrow, what would you do?
I'd probably sleep a little longer, get some coffee, meet a friend, and do something fun.
Like what?
I'm not sure yet, but I know one thing.
What's that?
I don't want to spend the whole day at home.
Interesting, because I have a very different idea of a fun day. A different idea? Now I'm curious. What would you do?
I'd probably go somewhere, maybe a new cafe or a park, somewhere I can relax.
I like that. I enjoy going to new places too, even if they're close to home.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes I just walk around a different neighborhood. I look at the shops, I find a small cafe. It feels like a little adventure.
That sounds fun.
It is. You don't always need a big trip for fun.
That's true. Sometimes a simple day is better.
Exactly. What about going to the beach?
I love the beach.
What do you do there?
I walk, I listen to music. Sometimes I just sit and watch the water.
Do you swim?
Sometimes, but I'm not a great swimmer.
Really?
I can swim, I just don't swim very far.
That's probably a good thing. I don't want to rescue you.
Thanks for your support.
You're welcome.
What do you like doing with friends?
I like going out for dinner, especially somewhere new.
You like trying new food?
Yes.
I'm a little nervous about that.
Why?
What if the food is terrible?
Then we laugh about it.
That's your solution?
Usually.
Fair enough.
I also like going to bookstores.
Bookstores?
Yes. I can spend hours there.
Really?
Yes. I like looking at books. Sometimes I buy one. Sometimes I buy 3.
3?
Okay, maybe 4.
So you have an expensive hobby too.
Maybe, but books are useful.
That's what everyone says.
Do you like going to the movies?
Yes, but I prefer watching movies at home.
Why?
I can pause the movie, I can get snacks, and I don't have to sit quietly.
You talk during movies?
Sometimes,
Oh, no.
only when something is funny.
That's still talking.
I call it reacting.
Okay, I'll allow it.
Thank you.
What about hobbies? Do you have a hobby you want to try?
I'd like to learn photography.
That's interesting. Why photography?
I like taking pictures when I travel, but most of my pictures are terrible.
What do you mean?
I take a picture of food, then I take another picture of the same food, then another.
Why so many?
I'm looking for the perfect picture.
Did you find one?
No, but I ate the food.
At least you didn't waste it.
Exactly.
I think that's what makes hobbies fun. They don't have to be perfect. You just have to enjoy them.
I agree. Sometimes people worry too much about being good at something.
That's true. You can just do something because you enjoy it.
Like singing.
Are you bringing that up again?
I'm a talented singer.
According to who?
Me.
That's all the support I need. Okay, Mr. Singer. If we spent the whole day together, what would you want to do first?
Coffee.
Of course. And after coffee?
Maybe a movie.
A movie?
Then dinner.
That's basically food and entertainment all day.
Exactly. That's my perfect day.
You really know how to relax.
I try.
But I still think you're missing something.
What?
I still think you're missing something.
What?
You haven't told me your favorite thing to do when you have absolutely nothing planned.
Oh, that's easy. You do absolutely nothing?
Sometimes. And I'm very good at it.
What does doing nothing look like for you?
I stay home, I make some coffee, I put on some music, then I sit on the couch.
That's actually pretty relaxing.
Exactly. Sometimes I watch a movie, sometimes I watch videos, sometimes I just lie there and think.
Think about what?
Everything. Work, life, food, my next vacation.
Food again.
Food is important.
I think we've learned that about you.
I have other interests.
Name one.
Coffee.
That's not helping.
Okay. I like going for walks.
That's better. Do you usually walk alone?
Usually. I like listening to music while I walk.
Do you ever listen to podcasts?
Yes. Sometimes I listen to English podcasts.
Really?
Yes. It helps me get used to different voices.
That's a good way to practice.
I don't understand everything, but I understand more than before.
That's great. You don't need to understand every word.
Exactly. I just listen and try to understand the main idea.
That's a good habit.
What about you? What do you do when you have a free day?
It depends on my mood.
What if you're tired?
I stay home. I make coffee, I read, and sometimes I watch a movie.
We have similar ideas.
Maybe, but if I have more energy, I like going out.
Where do you go?
Maybe a cafe, maybe a bookstore. Sometimes I meet a friend.
Do you like shopping?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
I don't like crowded shopping malls.
Same.
I like small shops. They're quieter.
And you don't buy too much?
I try not to.
That's not an answer.
Okay, sometimes I buy things I don't need.
Welcome to the club.
What's the funniest thing you've bought?
A tiny coffee machine.
A tiny coffee machine?
Yes. It looked cute.
Did you use it?
Once.
Once?
It was smaller than I expected.
So why did you buy it?
Because it was cute.
Oh, Dave. That's not very good reason.
It was a great reason at the time.
What do you think is more fun? Doing something alone or doing something with friends?
With friends. Definitely.
Why?
Because you can laugh together, you can talk, and you can make memories.
I agree, but sometimes I enjoy being alone.
Really?
Yes, I need some quiet time sometimes.
I know what you mean. After a busy week, being alone can feel really nice.
Exactly. You don't have to talk, you don't have to go anywhere, you can just relax.
That sounds pretty good right now.
Are you tired?
A little.
Then maybe you need a quiet day.
Maybe. But I still want coffee.
Of course you do.
Coffee makes everything better.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
Wait. I just remembered something.
What?
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Yes? Why?
I have no plans.
Really?
Nothing. Completely free.
Then maybe we should do something fun.
I was thinking the same thing.
What should we do?
Coffee first.
I knew it.
Then, maybe a movie.
Okay, and after that?
Maybe dinner.
You're very predictable.
But I'm happy.
That's what matters.
Actually, I have one more idea.
What is it?
Something I've never tried before.
Now I'm interested. Okay, now I'm really curious. What's this new idea?
What if we try something neither of us usually does?
Okay, I'm listening.
We could go hiking tomorrow.
Hiking? You?
Yes, me.
You said you like staying home.
I do, but maybe I need a little adventure.
I like that. Where should we go?
There's a small trail outside the city. I've never been there.
That sounds fun. Have you checked the weather?
Not yet.
Dave?
What?
Dave, you planned a trip without checking the weather?
I got excited.
Oh, boy.
I'll check it tonight.
Good. And what should we bring?
Water, comfortable shoes, maybe some snacks.
Snacks?
Hiking requires snacks.
Of course it does.
Food gives me motivation.
I'm starting to understand your personality.
It's a very simple personality.
Coffee, food, movies, and fun.
That sounds pretty good to me.
Honestly, it does.
I think fun doesn't always have to mean doing something exciting.
I agree. Sometimes fun is just having a good conversation.
Or laughing with a friend,
Or trying something new.
even if you're not very good at it.
Exactly. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to enjoy yourself.
That's why I like trying new things, even when they go badly.
Like your tiny coffee machine.
Please forget that.
Never.
Fine, it's part of my history.
A very small part of your history.
Very small.
So, if you had to choose just one thing, what is your favorite way to have fun?
Spending time with good friends.
That's a nice answer.
Because you can do almost anything,
You can get coffee. You can watch a movie. You can go for a walk. You can just sit and talk.
Exactly. The people can make something simple feel really special.
What about you?
I think I feel the same way. I like going somewhere nice, but good company is more important.
That's true.
And sometimes the best plans are the ones you make at the last minute.
Like tomorrow.
Exactly.
So, hiking?
Hiking?
And coffee afterward?
Definitely.
And maybe lunch?
I knew you'd say that.
It's important to stay healthy.
Sure, Dave. Very healthy.
Thank you.
I think we've discovered something today. Having fun doesn't need to be complicated.
You can do something you enjoy,
You can spend time with people you like.
and you can try something new.
Exactly. So think about your own free time. What do you enjoy doing?
Maybe your answer is different from mine.
And that's okay. Everyone has different hobbies.
Different interests, different ways to relax.
The important thing is to enjoy your time.
And don't forget the snacks.
Of course, you had to say that.
It's who I am.
Fair enough. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone!